What if I showed you a part of the Southeast they never talked about? Please subscribe to this video and turn on the notification bells. It enables me to post more videos like this. When we talk about Uturu, people think of a small town, student-based, deserted area. But here is a hidden world of steel, of stones, of treasures. It's a place where stones have been mined, have been processed, has been transported across the world, across the globe. Welcome to Setraco, where we mine and tell how these stones are being processed, how it's being mined, and how it's being transported across the world and globe. Let's go see what this place looks like. Stay to the end of this video and I promise you are going to enjoy every bit. So let's go see what it looks like. Long before the roar of machines and the dust of quarry, this land was silent. The ridge was made of hard stone, the same stone that early humans discovered thousands of years. This quiet place became one of the largest stone tool workshops in all of Nigeria. To the people of this community, it was more than just land. It was history, culture, and memory. Today, the ridge still stands. Can you tell us the state of this place before it was discovered?
They met an operator here before, probably a small-scale operator, before we now came in and took over the site after all formal arrangement agreement had been reached. Setraco came in.
Who owns and manages the site?
It's a private enterprise. It's not a government-run business here. Yes, it's fully registered.
Let me walk you through how these granites are mined from start to finish. We are driving down about 5,000 meters down from where we are now, and these granites are mined about 6,000 feet on the ground. Now guys, this is where the real magic happens. Whoa! This place has been dug 6,000 feet down until this water was discovered, and so it was a signal to stop at this particular spot, and so this other part will be explored. We also discovered that alligators and crocodiles crawl out of this water at night. I know you're going to be asking, what are they going to do to this big massive hole after now? Oh yeah, I asked the same questions. Well, for this particular spot where water has been found, it can be converted to a fish pond, otherwise it can just be filled with sand. But this is after this project has been finished, we can take decades and decades of years. During the dry season, when the water level is low, this place can still be mined because there are granites still underneath this water. And so this is why this pathway was created, so that these cars that can mine these granites can have easy access to them. So we're walking back down to where the remaining processes are finished.
From this space where we are at this spot is the production facility. It's a crushing plant, about 200 tons per hour. You know what it means? We produce different sizes of aggregate on an hourly basis.
And so there are three processes to grinding these massive granites. They are the primary, secondary, and tertiary phases. Just like the name primary, it grinds it to a small unit. The secondary grinds it to a smaller unit, and then the tertiary grinds it to a smaller unit. It all depends on the order gotten, and then they are distributed across the world. What impact has it had in the community and in the society?
You can't find good homes. It has empowered them. You have good homes there now.
Yeah.
People are empowered. They have trucks because of the businesses from this stone business.
We also discovered they were reconstructing a road as a result of the contribution to the society. And then what advice do you have for young people who want to go into mining or geology?
Mining is a lucrative career. We have not actually started because Nigeria is God's own country. We are blessed with all manners of resources beneath the surface of the earth. So we need a lot of earth sciences. Mining, processor, geologists, and all the rest of them to come to play.
Here at Setraco, we've discovered that even treasures can be discovered at your backyard. So never underestimate the power of any location or any place. I hope you enjoyed this video and you watched to the end. Click subscribe and comment and see what we're going to be giving you in the next video. Thanks for staying up to the very end. I'm blessed, Tomy.